a loss of 99,010 USD. While the U.S.PPE fairly exceeded expectations, the U.S.CPA and Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index, preliminary values, both slightly decreased from the previous month, indicating inflation seems to be stabilizing. Based on this, we have shorted USD, which unfortunately backfired and led to significant losses. This pattern has occurred several times this year, and we've struggled to consistently profit. Considering future U.S. interest rate hikes, I've read U.S. economic indicators, especially the inflation indicators, as a major point. However, this year's pattern shows persistent U.S. buying, even when these indicators drop. From now on, we plan to focus on USD/JPY and EUR/US trades, adjusting our buy and sell strategy as is needed. Key points to watch from 14th are as follows: yen weakens, touching 145 for the first time in only and a half months, approaching intervention levels from last fall on the 11th. In the New York foreign exchange market, yen weakened and dollar strengthened, momentarily reaching 1 USD equals 145 JPY, a level not seen since end of June. This was triggered by the U.S. Labor Department's announcement that wholesale price index for July outpaced market expectations, prompting views that inflation would persist. This caused long-term interest rates, further propelling the yen's depreciation against the dollar. The yen is now approaching high 145 levels, where the Japanese government and Bank of Japan intervened last fall, buying yen and selling dollars. As of 5 p.m. Eastern Time month 11th, 6 a.m. Japan Time month 12th, it was trading between 1 USD equals 144.90 JPY to 145.00 JPY, an 18 yen depreciation from the previous day's corresponding time. At the end of July, the Bank of Japan effectively raised the coupon long-term interest rates from around 0.5% to 1%. However, the market believes that Bank of Japan will maintain its aggressive easing policy for the time being, limiting the yen Japan's long-term interest rate to around 0.6%. In contrast, in the U.S., there have been continuous announcements of economic indicators suggesting prolonged inflation, such as rapidly increasing wages and robust consumption. This has led to an expanding interest rate between Japan and the U.S., prompting a trend to the higher-yielding dollar and yen. Source: Asahi Shimbun. At levels above 145 JPY to the dollar, there's increased wariness of intervention by the Bank of Japan. We believe that entering a B position at this level is risky and will be looking for an opportunity to sell. U.S. Retail sales in July, expected to increase by 0.4%. Core also expected to increase by 0.4% according to market expectations. Reuters. For the U.S. Retail sales data to be released by the Department of Commerce on 15th, the median prediction is a month-on-month increase of 0.4%, compared to a 0.2% increase at the previous month. The core, excluding the highly volatile auto sector, is also projected to jump by 0.4%, compared to a 0.2% increase at the previous month. Bank of America estimates a 0.6% increase over a 0.7% increase for the core. Based on data from their own credit card issuances, this reflects notable growth in areas such as airfare and daily goods, as well as increased consumption during Independence Day compared to the previous year. Wells Fargo predicts a 0.3% overall increase, attributing rising wages due to tight labor market and lower goods prices, suggesting slightly stronger consumption. Source: GG Press. The impact of U.S. retail sales data will be significant, so be closely watching the USD's movements after its release. Last week, it traveled to Yamanashi Prefecture and attended the largest fireworks festival in the region, the Shinmai Fireworks Festival. On that day, amidst the surrounding mountains in the small town of Misato, 20,000 fireworks Latuski, attracting over 250,000 attendees. Amidst the pristine air, the event showcased original fireworks with a sense of story, offering a unique experience different from other events. Some people were so moved that they were brought to tears. This festival was ranked first in the TBS show Fireworks Festivals that leading firework artists must see. I highly recommend visiting it at least once. Have a great weekend.